ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Make flexing, but you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one knew you like I. mind. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Baby, stop telling me lies.
Hi guys, Dami here as always. Today we have a box from iClever. We can all agree that we've lost the battle. Will our kids use social media? Will they go on YouTube? Of course, our duty as parents now is to ensure that whatever they are saying on all of the sites or even how they see it is safe. So iClever makes safe headphones that helps them with safe listening. You know how these kids, especially for me to be specific, she can wear her headphones and just put it on the loudest volume so that nobody will disturb her. That's our best practice. But with this particular headphones from iClever, it's specially made for kids, and they've ensured that it comes with safe volume and also listening protection. So no matter how high they play with it, they've ensured that it is safe for kids to use. So I'm going to unbox it now, and we're going to see it together. Like, I was working on these children because I already promised them to unbox it today. They came back and they're on my neck to unbox it. So I'm like, okay, let's do this. It's been sitting here for a while, to be fair. So I picked two, and imagine Fury was telling me that why did I pick pink when there's purple? I'm like, sorry, I didn't know. I didn't know that you've outgrown pink. I thought every girl child likes pink, but I didn't know that my daughter have grown to know be a pink girl. And then I picked this blue one for Tofumi. Eh? Anything you just one item is what I need. Oh, because it's foldable. Can you see? It's so compact. You know, I was like, no, this looks small, but because it is compact,
maybe it might be folded too.
Yeah, because it is compact, it looks, oh wow, nice. And you can actually adjust it. So see,
Most headphones are like that.
yeah. So oh, that's good.
And
Nice.
the ears flash.
Oh, it comes with flashlight. Let's remove this. Is this showing yet? No. Or maybe when you plug it in.
Wait. It's flashing.
Oh, because I have to press it. Oh, jeez. Autofocus is the problem. Can you guys see?
Yes. I think I
No,
can see.
it's blurry. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Let me try it on. What else came in the pack? I think some stickers. So with Furisami, okay, this is the manual. Of course, read your manuals. And then came with some beautiful stickers which you can stick on it. Let me see. Even I can use it.
Yeah, that probably.
Because the other one you have is too small, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one, even an adult can
Can't
actually.
fit her ears.
It can't fit my ears. Yeah, she has one other one
It will
that
be like this.
it's so small. So
As
happy,
well as my school one.
happy safe listening. Let's see. So this Furious tablet, we're going to try it with it. Oh, put it on. Put your phone. Let me unbox the phone. And it comes with the plug is universal. Yours is Bluetooth.
Yeah,
How do you know?
because
How do you know?
it's we watched the video and it said Bluetooth.
Oh, really?
They were connecting it to our iPhone.
I don't think so.
Look, even on this side, I think I saw a label.
Is it not the same thing?
Even on the side, I thought.
Foldable microphone, comfortable, and it's actually comfortable. It comes with a plug. Mama, on it. I want to put it on and hear the volume. Oopsie.
And my iPad's locked.
Oh, in another video, I'll tell you guys what I do. Go and bring your Nintendo. Actually, what I do with my kids' iPad. So I restrict how and when they log on, what content they see. I have access to everything they watch. I just, like I said at the beginning, like we need to ensure safety of what they watch, how long they spend. You don't want your kids to be YouTube zombies, just watching different things. For Tofumi, for instance, this boy is always watching YouTube shorts before, but now, like, I have control. I have control over what to watch. Play the video. So this is Tofumi's own. I got Tofumi in blue.
See, there's no wire.
There's wire. Tofumi was pretty happy with his own color. He's only afraid. I was like, Mommy, why didn't you
I
get me?
pressed one.
Is it playing?
Yes.
Can you hear?
Yes.
How is the volume?
Good.
It's
Good.
also
But at least you
But
can hear
you
me.
should hear it.
But at least you can hear me. It's not the one that If Firo is plugging her former headphones, if you're calling her, she's not going to hear.
I think this is the charger. Oh no, that'll be.
Yeah, it's nice. Is it not nice?
Yes.
It's nice.
And I liked it. Yes.
Can I hear
Like
it?
there's light. I don't know if you guys can see. It's really bright. Tofumi, close this window. Let me see. This one. No, this one. I want to show the lights. Okay. See.
Hey.
Close it. Why did you open it? Close, Tofumi. Okay, see. Is the light still showing?
Yeah, pretty a little bit.
Yeah.
It's not showing.
It's a little bit.
It's just showing bright yellow
Anyway.
and white.
Open the light. Turn. But it's finer like this, so. Open. Put it up. No, close it. I like it like that. So this is really nice. I like it. She can hear me. They can hear what I'm
Should I
saying.
get my Nintendo?
Yes, get your Nintendo. So it's like volume control. I don't want her plugging her ears and she becomes incommunicado in this house. So where's the other one for Tofumi? It took it away. So excited. Check out iClever. If you just go to Amazon, the easiest way to go about it, go to Amazon and search for iClever Kids headphones. It is really, really nice. Like, Mama, what do you think?
It's really comfy.
So Fure endorses it. She says it's really comfy. Like, it comes with all this soft pad and she really, really likes it. So
Can I have my stickers?
yeah, you can have your stickers. Go and put it on. And I think Tofumi's one is a bit different.
It's Bluetooth.
It's blue. Let me use it with my... Can you work with my iPad?
Yeah, probably because there is an Apple phone.
It came with... Bring it. It came with 2 cords. Tofumi's own is an upgraded version compared to Fure's own. And it came with 2 cords. Let's see. No, I don't think so.
Try,
I don't think any of this would work from my iPad.
try to connect it.
It comes with 2. No.
Maybe it's a chargeable.
Fury, let's try it with yours. So the spelling is, I'll put it on screen, is iClever. So just go to Amazon, like that's the easiest place to get it. Type iClever Kids headphone and then I'll put the Amazon link in the description box as well. So if you want to get it. So I'm going to try it with Fury's Nintendo. Tofumi does barely uses this Nintendo, so it's not charged. And it's actually seized. Is it not in my room? Your Nintendo. Yeah. So
Put the sticker on.
oh, nice. Let's use it with this one. Where do you plug it?
Plug it right over here. See? Headphones.
It also lights the
Oh,
phone.
Tofumi's one is quite big. This also works amazing. The sound that comes out of it is soft, like it's not ashy. You know some headphones that you'll be using and like the sound is a bit ashy. I think this is very clear, but it's soft, like so coming out softly.
Hello?
Yeah, try it.
Wait.
Does your own turn on light?
Yeah, mine had light. In the video,
Tofumi's own also comes with light here, but it's not coming on. Probably needs to read the manual, but it's also adjustable and even works perfectly for me. Like it's such a good size for me.
can I try it on?
So anyways, I'm going to give it to them and then we'll continue the video later.
I haven't even tried it on.
You've not tried it on. I'm going to look forward to try it. So I'll wait till 4 o'clock when your iPad unlocks. So sorry. Oh yeah, everybody, come and take your boxes.
Can I see if this is the charger?
Just take everything. I don't care. Yeah, take everything. Finally figured it out. The light is showing now, and interestingly, Tofumi is very inquisitive whenever it comes to any technology. If I have something that I need to connect to anything, I just tell Tofumi, you will figure it out. But anyways, that's my alarm to fill my timesheets. If you work in audit, you get it. Yeah, I've done it earlier because I'm ready to log off. I'm done for the day. So anyways, talking back about these headphones, so Tofumi figured out it uses Bluetooth, and so I was able to connect it to my iPad. So even me, I can borrow it to use. One thing I'll say is they come in different grade. So this is an upgraded version compared to Fury's own, which is just using
It's called the BTH03.
BTH03, whatever it's called. So anyways, like I was saying, this is an upgraded version. This one uses Bluetooth. So it's, let me see, Tofumi, play something.
Is it good?
It's so nice.
Can I hear?
You're not showing. You need to be in frame.
That's good.
Like it? What are you thinking about? Huh?
About it? Oh, you can reduce up here too.
Yeah. So Tofumi's own, like I said, it's way next level compared to Fury's own. Comes with, you know, the light and then buttons here for the light, for volume, and you can adjust it. It is also foldable, very compact. For when, how did I fold this now? That was easy. This is proving hard. Okay, now it's not hard. So easy, like you can put it in any small bag and just go around with it, which is nice. And like the sound is very, very clear. That's one thing I like about it. And it's soft, so it is safe. It's not like, you know, all those headphones that is so boom, 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 like, you know. And with children, they don't know when to turn down the volume. They will just keep listening with that harsh sound. But this one is very safe. So anyways, that's about it about the iClever headphones. Like I said, I'll drop all the details in the description box, but easily just search for iClever kids headphone on Amazon, anywhere you are, and you can get it. My personal favorite feature of it is because it is safe for listening. It is made from sustainable material that is good for kids. It is portable, like you saw how I folded Tofumi's own. It is portable, and we can, you know, carry it on if we're traveling, anywhere we're going to. They can easily pack it along with them. And I particularly love the fact that it is compatible with my iPad, with my phone as well. You know, it's not just the wired one. Tofumi can use the wire, and it can also use Bluetooth, which is quite impressive. And yeah, those are the main reasons why I love our new iClever headphones. Check it out. I'll see you guys later.